Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore audio levels from Zoom recordings in Premiere Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your Zoom recording into the project. Drag the Zoom recording to the timeline. Select the audio track of your Zoom recording. Right-click on the audio track and choose Audio Gain. In the Audio Gain window, select Normalize All Peaks to. Set the value to -1 dB to prevent clipping. Click OK to apply the gain adjustment. Now, go to the Audio workspace by selecting it from the top menu. In the Audio workspace, find the Essential Sound panel. Select the audio clip and assign it the dialogue option. This will open additional audio controls tailored for dialogue. Adjust the loudness slider to match industry standards, typically around -16 LUFS. If background noise is present, use the Reduce Noise feature. Adjust the percentage slider until the noise is reduced without affecting voice clarity. Next, check the equalization settings under Repair. Use the parametric equalizer to enhance the vocal frequencies. Boost frequencies around 300 Hz for warmth and presence. Cut any offending frequencies around 200 Hz if the audio sounds muddy. Once adjustments are made, play the clip to review the changes. Listen carefully to ensure that the dialogue is clear and balanced. Adjust the fader on the audio track to set the desired playback level. If needed, add a compressor to even out dynamic range. Go to the Effects panel, search for Compressor, and drag it to your audio clip. In the Effects Controls panel, set a ratio of around 3:1. Adjust the threshold to ensure quieter sounds are amplified appropriately. Finally, apply a limiter to prevent any peaking above 0 dB. Review the final audio levels again by playing back the entire timeline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.